We woke up to rain on Christmas Eve. I was expecting rain, but not as early as it came in. I can't even get the cats fed without being out in the rain this morning, so that's a bummer. But look at you.
Yeah, I got...
What am I going to get when you mix Death Wish and Bad Kitty? Huh? What am I going to get?
Oh, bad cat.
Hey, Gray. Tux and Slater on the platform. Stripe and Morriser underneath the woodpile tarp. Hi, Slate. You come back, honey. Tux doesn't get nervous, but Slate wonders if somebody will shut her in over here, I think. I'm so sorry you got to go get wet. He said he's a guy. Slate's a little spooked about me being over here. But then that's pretty normal for her, being a little spooked. It's not bad sitting in here. The rain's not going sideways, so it's not coming in. Well, during the storm today, Tux will be safe, dry, and snoozing, I'm sure. Hey, buddy. Are you soaked?
Yeah, pretty much.
I'll be in just a minute after I get up the courage to walk back out there to get back in the house.
Oh, look at this. Look at this.
I'm sorry I don't make pecan pie. I wasn't raised on it. Dad made mincemeat at Thanksgiving, so I'm sure the Whole Foods version is just fine.
Yeah.
You look good in your Chewy shirt. He looks like he has lighting engineer issues. You know, like the lights are frustrating him. Looks like more me. It hasn't gotten any nicer out there, and it's going to get worse before it gets better. I just sent Dawn to the garage to unplug both cars because we have a line of showers with 50-mile-per-hour winds coming through, and that certainly could cause a power blip. And I just like to play it safe. I'm standing here in the kitchen working on my Christmas clock tower. The floor's bad, stools are bad, the love seat's bad, standing is pretty good. Matter of fact, sitting for too long is not good, so I might as well be doing Legos if I'm standing. The more I stand today, I think the less pain I'll be in this evening. I've got, sorry, nighttime, I kind of set you up there, baby girl. You're okay. You're okay. Yeah, I want to make cookies for Santa later. I usually make cookies on Christmas Eve, and I've got pork chops to cook for dinner, and you know, got to wrap Dawn's gifts, and so, you know, I got stuff to do. I can't work too long, but it's only 12:30, so I can play a little bit longer. Aw, here's Dawn. I think he brought the umbrella back. I'm guessing you brought the umbrella back, so in case I need to go out later, I have an umbrella in the house.
That is correct.
Yep, I figured that umbrella had nothing to do with you. Thank you.
You're welcome, sweetie.
Yeah, well, they may not be eaten again until, I don't know, later. Yeah, well, they're not going to eat if they're scared anyway, so they're all taken care of for 4 or 5 more hours at least. We've avoided the wind so far. They still say it's coming. Obviously, we've had quite a good bit of rain. Can't tell you for sure because we took in the rain gauge. We'll have to go by what WRAL says. I feel for anyone trying to travel today. Of course, people really shouldn't be trying to travel, but if they are, you know, bad weather on high travel days always means problems for folks, and that makes me sad. I don't wish problems for anybody. I'm up here on the front porch treehouse. Obviously, Panther is not here. I suspect he's in there. He likes to hide in there if he doesn't feel safe. But he could be down below too. It's certainly safe under the front porch. He's not in the little bed under the chair.
Over.
I knew I liked Sandy. He has the wreath I want. Don and I have looked for this wreath.
Hey, it's been a miserable year.
Yeah, it ain't been too good. It's not finishing too good either. Not with the back issues for me.
It's been miserable.
Yeah.
Companies have
Poor
gone
kid.
out of business. All the restaurants are closed. But guess what? Now it's time for the magic of Christmas. Let's just start this off with a bang. So ho ho hello, boys and girls.
I love it. I do. I like Sandy.
So I'd say
I
I'm
like
a third
Sandy.
of the way through. Oh, I got these parts. I didn't put those on. But it's coming along. My back is bothering me a little bit now. You know, if I stand and twist, it's one pain in one area. If I sit too long, it's pain in another area. So yeah, anyway, but it's coming along. I'm about ready to start step 1 of the middle, I guess, which is where the clock tower gear is. And I may work on it some more later, but I'm gonna try to listen to myself, my body, take a break, and make sure I got gumption to do what I have to do today versus playing. I've been in here doing you know what.
Hey, get out of here! You can't look! No, you can't look! This is not for your eyes! You gotta close your eyes! You can't video this!
They're closed. I think we're gonna get more rain, but it's not raining right now, so I wanted to come see him. All I did was put the food bowl down this morning, one pat in the head, one scratch on the butt, and back to the house because I was getting wet. I'm really enjoying sitting here with my buddy, but I've been caught by Tux, who's just down the hill and thinking about coming up and making trouble. Not a soul here at the environmental park besides me and Ruby. And I've checked for software updates in the app for both cars and, well, now in Ruby in person, and no holiday update that I can tell. There is another band of rain that's going to come through, so I'm just out doing my Pokemon Go drive around in between the band that came through and the band that's yet to come. I sure hope people haven't been having to run too many errands, last minute Christmas Eve things today, because it's just not been a nice day to be out having to do that. And glad Don and I went to Whole Foods yesterday for sure. That was a good plan on our part to go on the 23rd instead of the 24th. So yeah, it's going on 4, and Don's wrapping, and I think he's taking the day off from running because it's pretty soggy out there. Well, it's just as quiet here at South Park as it was at the environmental park, which I guess is how it should be. I see a few cars going by on Judd Parkway and Main Street. Hopefully folks headed home from working or whatever, last minute errands. Time for the quiet of Christmas to set in. Don's got him a big, juicy
Pork chop.
bone-in pork chop with a dab of butter, pat of butter, and a soft over easy egg.
Yipper, yum yum.
This is a man that's motivated for apple pie.
That's right.
See?
I wouldn't be peeling kale.
Don't be afraid to make homemade apple pie, especially if you have a really handsome guy to do the apples for you. Because it's basically mix some sugar flour mixture with the apples, a little bit of lemon, a little bit of cinnamon, and then put it in the pan. Maybe we have one there that needs to be cut one more time. Somehow that one piece is...
Huh. Well, I did the fancy little
slicer, yeah. And then I'm going to put the crumble on top.
Yeah.
And we're just going to slide it in. I used a frozen shell because I don't like to make pie crusts, and we're good.
Yeah.
You can let it go. Okay, it really is. It just was.
It just stuck together.
Yeah. Okay.
Here. A hole right there.
I'm working it. I'm working it. I like cooking in the kitchen with you.
Well, I'm, supervising apple pie, no problem.
Yeah,
I can supervise cookies too.
Yeah.
But I don't want to supervise Brussels sprouts.
That's funny. All right. Don's been such a good helper. Reaching high, reaching low.
Yeah.
It seems like I drop more than I realize I drop.
Yeah.
I'm trying to take it easy on my back. So I'm the brains of the operation, and Don is the brawn and the might of the operation. And this is our Toll House cookies.
Notice I don't mind shoveling Toll House cookie batter.
Yeah, I just have him folding in the nuts and the chocolate chips. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, we got Santa all covered for milk and cookies tonight, and we have Johnny covered too. Johnny and I both kind of like it better before it's cooked. That's just how we are. This is me trying to not hurt my back.
Yeah.
This is a good height to be loving on him.
Yeah.
And just so you not think that Tux isn't getting his
Oh.
100% attention because of Stripe, that would not be true.
Yeah, that's right.
He just sometimes, when it gets cold, he gets frisky.
Mm-hmm.
And he doesn't sit still as good. He's like, oh, I can run around now, you know, so.
Yeah, he's getting a lot of mama loving.
Yeah, nighttime's over here visiting her Tux. Don't you like to see your buddy? Yeah, mostly she's jealous. And no, he doesn't get apple pie till tomorrow, but Santa is sharing his cookies with him. Cookies and milk aren't just for Santa, they're for
right.
Santa's helper too.
That's right.